How does visual perception contribute to the formation of different perspectives in communication? A. By influencing how individuals interpret visual cues in a conversation. B. By directly determining the language used in communication. C. By impacting past experiences that shape perspectives. D. By controlling the speed of speech in a conversation. The correct answer is A. Visual perception is key to understanding non-verbal cues, body language, and facial expressions. It shapes how we view things and impacts communication. Which of the following is not a factor affecting perspective in communication? A. Past experiences. B. Prejudices. C. Physical appearance. D. Feelings. The correct answer is C. While physical appearance can influence communication, it's not a primary factor affecting perspective, compared to past experiences, prejudices, and feelings. How can environmental factors impact communication perspectives? A. By influencing the availability of communication tools. B. By shaping cultural norms and values. C. By controlling individuals' past experiences. D. By directly determining the language used in communication. The correct answer is B. Environmental factors like culture, social norms, and geographical location can shape communication perspectives. They do this by influencing values and beliefs. In what way can prejudices distort communication perspectives? A. By promoting empathy and understanding. B. By encouraging open-mindedness. C. By introducing bias and stereotypes. D. By fostering strong communication skills. The correct answer is C. Prejudices can distort communication perspectives by introducing bias, stereotypes, and preconceived notions, hindering effective communication and understanding. How can personal feelings impact an individual's perspective in communication? A. By providing a neutral ground for communication. B. By influencing the interpretation of messages. C. By eliminating the need for past experiences. D. By guaranteeing understanding without effort. The correct answer is B. Personal feelings can influence an individual's perspective in communication by affecting how messages are interpreted, leading to subjective understandings based on emotional responses. What role do past experiences play in shaping communication perspectives? A. They have no impact on communication. B. They provide a foundation for understanding different viewpoints. C. They restrict communication to a single perspective. D. They increase misunderstandings in communication. The correct answer is B. Past experiences serve as a foundation for understanding different viewpoints, shaping communication perspectives by influencing how individuals interpret and respond to new information. Why is it essential to consider factors like past experiences and prejudices when we communicate? A. To avoid all communication conflicts. B. To better understand diverse perspectives. C. To eliminate the need for good listening skills. D. To speed up communication. The correct answer is B. Considering factors such as past experiences and prejudices is crucial in communication. To promote a deeper understanding of diverse perspectives, enhance empathy, and minimize misunderstandings. How can different cultural backgrounds influence communication perspectives? A. By standardizing communication norms. B. By limiting the impact of past experiences. C. By introducing diverse viewpoints and values. D. By restricting the use of non-verbal cues. The correct answer is C. Different cultural backgrounds can influence communication perspectives by introducing diverse viewpoints, values, and communication styles. enriching interactions and fostering cross-cultural understanding. How can personal emotions affect communication perspectives? A. By encouraging objective interpretations. B. By introducing subjective biases. C. By eliminating the impact of past experiences. D. By ensuring complete agreement in communication. The correct answer is B. Personal emotions can affect communication perspectives by introducing subjective biases, shaping how individuals interpret messages, and influencing the overall communication dynamics. Which of the following aspects contributes to the formation of different perspectives in communication? We're talking about things like visual perception, language, past experiences, and prejudices. A. Personal beliefs. B. Cultural background. C. Environmental factors. D. Social media influence. The correct answer is B. Cultural background influences how we see and understand communication. It plays a big role in shaping our perspectives. In a communication setting, how can biases from past experiences and prejudices impact someone's perspective? A. Limit interpretation. B. Enhance understanding. C. Minimize conflicts. D. Encourage collaboration. The correct answer is A. Biases from past experiences and prejudices can limit an individual's ability to interpret information objectively, leading to miscommunication or misunderstandings. Which of the following statements accurately reflects the role of language in influencing communication perspectives? A. Language is a barrier to effective communication. B. Language shapes how messages are interpreted. C. Language has no impact on perceptions. D. Language only affects verbal communication. The correct answer is B. Language plays a crucial role in shaping how messages are interpreted, influencing perspectives and understanding in communication interactions. When personal feelings are involved in communication, how can they influence a person's perspective? A. Enhance objectivity. B. Lead to impartial judgments. C. Affect interpretations. D. Foster neutrality. The correct answer is C. Personal feelings can impact how information is interpreted and perceived, influencing an individual's communication perspective by affecting emotions and responses. When communicating with others, how can visual perception impact one's perspective? A. It can influence how one interprets nonverbal cues. B. It has no effect on communication perspectives. C. It primarily affects written communication. D. It only impacts auditory perception. The correct answer is A. Visual perception can affect how we interpret nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and gestures during communication. Which of the following factors is not commonly related to affecting perspective in communication? A. Past experiences. B. Prejudices. C. Personal hygiene. D. Feelings. The correct answer is C. Factors like past experiences, prejudices, and feelings affect communication perspectives. Personal hygiene is unrelated to communication perspectives. In what way can language impact communication perspectives? A. It can shape how individuals express their thoughts and ideas. B. It has no influence on communication perspectives. C. It only affects written communication. D. It impacts verbal communication but not non-verbal cues. The correct answer is A. Language plays a crucial role in shaping how individuals express their thoughts, ideas, and emotions, impacting communication perspectives. How do past experiences contribute to the formation of an individual's communication perspective? A. They shape how one interprets and responds to situations and interactions. B. They have no impact on communication perspectives. C. They only influence verbal communication. D. They affect communication perspectives temporarily. The correct answer is A. Past experiences shape an individual's perceptions, attitudes, and responses. These influences affect their communication perspective during interactions. When considering factors affecting communication perspectives, what role does the environment play? A. It can influence the context and tone of communication. B. It does not impact communication perspectives. C. It affects only nonverbal communication. D. It only influences workplace communication. The correct answer is A. The environment can influence the context, tone, and dynamics of communication interactions, affecting communication perspectives. How can personal emotions affect an individual's communication perspective? A. They have no impact on communication perspectives. B. They can distort communication perspectives. C. They always lead to clear communication perspectives. D. They only affect visual perception in communication. The correct answer is B. Personal emotions can significantly influence an individual's communication perspective by distorting how they perceive and interpret messages. In what ways can personal feelings affect communication perspectives? A. They have no bearing on communication perspectives. B. They can shape how individuals perceive messages. C. Personal feelings always lead to misunderstandings in communication. D. They only affect language in communication. The correct answer is B. Personal feelings can shape how individuals perceive and interpret messages in communication, impacting their overall perspective. How can biases from past experiences and prejudices affect how we see things when we're communicating? A. They have no effect on communication perspectives. B. They can lead to a more open-minded perspective. C. They can create distortions and misunderstandings in communication. D. They only influence visual perception in communication. The correct answer is C. Biases from past experiences and prejudices can create distortions and misunderstandings in communication, affecting how individuals understand and react to messages. When communicating with others, how can visual perception impact one's perspective? A. It has no influence on communication perspectives. B. It can shape how individuals interpret non-verbal cues. C. It only affects spoken language in communication. D. It leads to empathy in communication perspectives. The correct answer is B. Visual perception can shape how individuals interpret nonverbal cues, body language, and facial expressions, influencing their overall perspective in communication. How do past experiences contribute to the formation of an individual's communication perspective? A. They have no impact on communication perspectives. B. They only influence visual perception in communication. C. They shape how individuals interpret messages based on previous encounters. D. They always lead to accurate communication perspectives. The correct answer is C. Past experiences shape how individuals interpret messages and interactions, influencing their communication perspective based on previous encounters. Which factor is not commonly related to affecting perspective in communication? A. Past experiences. B. Prejudices. C. Visual perception. D. Grammar skills. The correct answer is D. Grammar skills are not typically considered a common factor affecting perspective in communication. Which role does past experience play in shaping communication perspectives? A. Minor role. B. No role. C. Major role. D. Insignificant role. The correct answer is C. Past experiences play a major role in shaping an individual's communication perspective. They provide a foundation for interpreting new interactions. How do biases from past experiences and prejudices affect how we communicate? A. By fostering open-mindedness. B. By leading to misunderstandings. C. By encouraging empathy. D. By promoting effective communication. The correct answer is B. Biases from past experiences and prejudices can lead to misunderstandings in communication by distorting perspectives and interpretations. When communicating with others, how can visual perception impact one's perspective? A. By enhancing listening skills. B. By altering interpretations of nonverbal cues. C. By improving grammar skills. D. By increasing vocabulary. The correct answer is B. Visual perception can impact perspective by influencing how we interpret nonverbal cues during communication. How can different cultural backgrounds influence communication perspectives? A. By limiting language use. B. By providing varied perspectives. C. By diminishing empathy. D. By narrowing interpretation skills. The correct answer is B. Different cultural backgrounds offer varied perspectives. These perspectives can influence communication. They provide diverse viewpoints on norms and values. Which aspect contributes to the formation of different perspectives in communication, including visual perception and language skills? A. Personal emotions. B. Roles in society. C. Past experiences and prejudices. D. Environmental factors. The correct answer is C. Past experiences and prejudices contribute to the formation of different perspectives by shaping how individuals interpret and respond to communication interactions. Why is it important to think about past experiences and biases when we communicate? A. To encourage subjective communication. B. To ensure efficient feedback. C. To prevent misunderstandings. D. To minimize visual perception influence. The correct answer is C. Considering past experiences and prejudices is crucial in communication. To prevent misunderstandings caused by biased interpretations and reactions. Which role do personal emotions play in shaping communication perspectives? A. They have no influence on perspectives. B. They can heavily influence how perspectives are formed. C. They only affect visual perception. D. They impact language skills only. The correct answer is B. Personal emotions heavily influence communication perspectives. Emotions shape how we perceive and interpret messages, significantly impacting communication.